Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my October Empties video. There's really not a lot here, so this should be a fairly quick video. Let's go ahead and get started. The first and largest item is this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap refill. This is the geranium scent. I really like the scents that Mrs. Meyer makes, and I love these large refills, so it's something I'll definitely be repurchasing. Maybe not in the scent, I like to mix it up, but this is a good product right there. The next item I have is from, what is this brand? Volition. This is their apple cider vinegar resurfacing and peel pad. And these are definitely not for the faint of heart. If you have skin that can't handle heavier chemicals, don't use this. But that said, as a once in a while like little treatment thing, it's fine, it's fun. It's not something I'm probably gonna purchase, but when it comes as a sample, I'm not mad about it. Next we have from Andalou Naturals the Citrus Sunflower Shower Gel. I don't care for this. I don't think this was a very good shower gel. Didn't lather, didn't smooth very well. I ended up just going through this so fast from having to keep putting more and more and more in my little scrubby thing. So, not a fan of that. I finished up the Tropicale Naturals? Tropicale Naturals? I don't know, their scalp treatment, and it was, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I don't think this did a darn thing. I don't think it did anything at all but make my scalp oily before getting in the shower. So don't buy this. This is junk. The next item I did not finish. It's something I'm just going to give away because it's just a little fussy for me. I don't care to use this. This is from Koa and Roy. It's their massage cube with CBD, and I don't know. It takes a lot of friction to warm this up. It's more work than I want to put into something. I'm just giving it away because it's too much work. Another item I'm just giving away because I don't care for it. It's the Delia Organics, the Pout Lip Cream. Once you get it onto your hand and onto your lips, it's really more of a lip oil. I don't like the consistency. It just feels really oily, like you ate a bunch of fried food and didn't wipe your mouth off. And it did not provide a ton of moisture for my lips. I only used it a few times and I don't care for it. So I'm going to pass that along to a friend as well who maybe will have a better experience with it. A lip product I loved, and this little container lasts me like nearly 2 years of constant use, which is astounding. This is from, what is the brand? Why can't I find the brand? Agave Plus? It's not Agave Plus. Bite. It's from Bite Beauty, and this is the Agave Plus Nighttime Lip Therapy. This stuff, this is good. If I didn't have 20 million chapsticks that I get in these boxes and stuff, this would be in my Sephora cart, repurchasing during the sale. I mean, if it's on there still, I don't even know. But I do have a bunch of other stuff to use up, but this will definitely be repurchased one day because this is before bed gold. Just amazing. I used up the Neal's Yard Remedies Rejuvenating Frankincense Hydrating Cream. I didn't want to put this on my face. I just used it on my body, so that's the review. I don't like the ingredients for face, and it was fine on the body. Nothing that exciting. This product, this is another gold star product that I will swear by. It is amazing. This is the Loba Mane Color Vibrant Transformative Mask. It is just, get a good look because you need this. You need this in your life. It came in one of my boxes, and it's one of the best hair masks I've ever used. I know I just bought like a bajillion of them, but this is the one I'm going to repurchase and repurchase and repurchase for the rest of my life after those are gone. This is amazing. I used up 2 of the little fragrance petals from my Pinrose kit I just got. These are both in the Cuddle Punk scent. I've been trying to like use the same scent over and over to get like a good full experience with it to see if it's one I like, and I think I do like this one. I might have to buy this one too. It smells really nice. And the last item I have to share, which is very exciting because it's a makeup product. I feel like I never have makeup products to share. This is the Tarte Sketch-ins set. It's a brow pencil on one end and a tinted gel on the other. I don't tend to use them both at the same time. I either use the gel or the pencil. I don't like them together. I think it's too much for me personally. But that said, I love both ends and I think it's a really good product. I have other brow products I need to use up for now, but I would consider getting this again in the future. And that was everything I had to share in this Empties video. A small video, but had two amazing products that you absolutely have to go get your hands on. These are fantastic. So, you know, the video might be small, but she's mighty. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!